To those who already invested in RLC Residences, maraming salamat po for trusting us with your hard-earned money. Congratulations and welcome home to RLC Residences.
With the 3 guiding pillars of RLC, we aim to raise the game by building quality homes, allow you to live your best life, and most importantly, connect you with your loved ones. RLC's commitment to crafting homes that resonate with the needs and aspirations of our future homeowners are at the forefront of our guiding principles.
Location, timing, and now you look at the infrastructure also. So dagdagan nyo lang yon, and you'll never go wrong in any real estate investment that you'll have. And why I say timing? Kasi you have to time your investment. You don't want to buy when the market is overheating, because when it's overheating, then prices of property will be so high. When the market is soft, which is kind of like what we see now, then developers such as RLC, they're giving a lot of good payment terms. So take advantage of that and ride the market. You want to invest when the market is moving up. And the Philippines is in that stage now. And currently, it's a buyer's market. So panahon nyo po ito ngayon. So take advantage of that because mas maraming deals or discounts and softeners and sweeteners that RLC team can actually